Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the biggest complaints with Samsung's One UI 7 update, the battery drain. If your phone's dying faster than usual after updating, don't worry, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. First up, you want to head into settings, then you want to go to battery. From here, choose background usage limits. Now in the three dot menu at the top corner, look for adaptive battery. Click this. Now, this feature uses AI to optimize your battery based on your habits. The thing is, after a big update, it basically has to relearn your usage. So if you've just updated, give it a few days, and if you turn it off before, switch it back on and let it adjust. Next, you can go to device care. Go back a bit and look for device care. There we go. Scroll down and choose processing speed. From here, you want to set this to optimized. Don't worry, it won't affect your normal day-to-day stuff like social media or photos. It just prioritizes battery life and cooling efficiency. Games still use your gaming profile, so you won't lose performance there. And another big tip, just go back a bit. Then you want to turn on auto optimization like this. You can switch this on and schedule an auto restart like once a week at night. Basically, this clears out background junk and keeps your apps running smooth. And of course, little extras like using dark wallpapers or disabling always on display can also help, but those are optional. So to summarize, give adaptive battery time to relearn, use the light performance profile, or use the optimized performance profile, enable auto optimization with weekly restarts. Try this out and your battery should last much longer on One UI 7. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.